Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is How Can We Change the Way Objects Move? We already learned about the way object moves in the previous lesson. Um, in this, we're going to learn how can we change. So, let's get started. How is pushing a swing like pulling a wagon? A push and pull are both forces. You will learn about forces later. So please write forces over here. And we are going to learn three new vocabulary words: push, pull, and force. Turn the page, please. Okay. In full force. What makes the wagon move? The girl gives it a push. A push moves an object away from you. The boy gives the wagon a pull. A pull moves an object closer to you. Pushes and pulls are forces. A force makes an object move or stop moving. When the girl and boy push and pull the wagon, it starts to move. So, when you go to any restaurant or any supermarket, there is an option of push and pull. When you push something, you make an object move away, it goes away from you. Okay, so when you push a door, does it come towards you? No, it goes away from you. But when you pull the door, when you pull something, it comes closer to you. And pushes and pulls are force. And what is force? Force makes an object move or stop moving. So either with force you can move an object or you can stop an object. Over here, draw yourself pushing something. So you can draw a swing or a shopping cart. Let's go next. Over here, draw yourself pulling something. So you can draw a door that you're pulling or a wagon or a chair. Let's go to the next page. So over here, the boy is pulling, and over here, the girl is pushing the wagon, and the boy is pulling the wagon using force. Look at this picture. How does a force move a ball? A force can change the way an object moves. It can change a ball's speed or direction. Changing speed. Force can change an object's speed. It can make something start moving or stop moving. It can make something go faster or more slowly. So, it can also change the speed. Force can also change the speed. Either you put a lot of force and something will move very fast, or you put a less force and something will move slowly. So, you can change the speed in the force. Let's read the box. What is going on? What is going to happen to the ball? Now, this girl is kicking the ball. What will happen to the ball? The ball will start moving or go faster. Either you can kick a ball very fast or you can kick a ball slowly. So, the ball will start moving or go faster. You can kick a ball to make it start moving or go faster. You can catch a ball to stop it. So you can also catch a ball to stop the force of it coming. So that's the way you can stop it. Now let's read this box. Describe how the motion of the car changes. Now look at these pictures. How is the motion of the car changing? In number one, the car will start moving. They are pushing, bunnies are pushing. So slowly the car will start moving. In number two, the car goes faster down the hill. So the car moves faster when it is down the hill. And number three, the car stops at the end. So when the race will finish, the car will stop at the end. Let's go to the next page. What is your position? Look at the pictures. Things are moving up and down. They are moving in and out. Position words tell where something is. Some position words are in, out, up, down, left, and right. We all know these position words, right? We know what is in, what is up. So this is in, this is up, this is down, and this is out. This is very easy, and left and right we have learned in social studies and the previous lessons of science. So these are called position words. These are called position words. A force can move something to a new position. Let's go to the next page. A step in the right direction. Think about pushing a friend on a swing. Your friend moves away from you and then comes back. Forces can move things toward you and away from you. A force can change the direction of an object. So, either if you push someone, the person will go away from you, and when they swing, so when you push, the person goes away from you and then it comes back. So, in forces can make things move towards you or away from you. So this is called change of the direction of an object. Let's read the box. Tell how the direction of this swing changes. Now look at this. Father is pushing the boy. So how is the direction of the swing changing? By moving back and forth. So the swing moves away from the man and then comes back. We learned about forces. We learned about motions, that how things go back and forth. Same way, the swing moves away from the man and then comes back. Have you been to the roller coaster? I'm sure you have seen this roller coaster in Rashid Mall and in Mall of Tehran. These are the roller coasters, and do you know how these roller coasters go up? Let's learn. What makes the coaster move? Roller coasters are fun. They go up and down, fast and slow, round and round. People on the ride might yell as they change speed and direction. What makes the roller coaster move? Now, let's see what makes a roller coaster move. A motor pulls the chain pulls the car up the first hill. How does the roller coaster move? Turn the page. Gravity is the force that pulls the car down. Gravity pulls all the things towards Earth. Anything which is, see, we all are not flying. We all are not, on the sky all the time. Why? Because there is something called gravity, and gravity pulls all the things towards Earth. That's the reason we are stuck to the that's the reason we are stuck to the earth. But if there was no gravity, like on the moon there is no gravity, so what happens? We all When you go to the moon, you start flying. Let's read the box. What pulls the car down the hill? It's gravity. Now let's solve the exercise. Write the word that solves the riddle. I move a box when it is full. I can be a push or a pull. What am I? Push or a pull, I can be a force. Number two, forces can change objects. Circle the words that tell the kinds of changes. So, force can change the speed. Can it change the color? No. Can it change the size? No. Can it change the shape? No. But can it change the direction? Yes. Write push or pull to label each picture. So he is bringing something towards himself, so it is pull. Over here, the mouse is pushing something away. He is pushing away the object. When something goes away, it is push. Complete the letter by using these words. Dear Jen, we moved into our new house. My dad drove the moving truck. He made sure the dash of the truck was not too fast. The speed of the truck was not too fast. Moving is hard. I had to dash boxes all day, push boxes all day. It took a huge dash to move my box of toys. It took a huge force to move my box of toys. My dad had to dash it while my brother pushed. My dad had to pull it while my brother pushed. Your friend Amy. Complete the chart, write a word on each blank line. Force. What will happen if you put force moves away? You force can move away a ball, pencil, bike, whatever you want to write. What will happen if you put a force makes a wagon go faster or more slowly? Either you put a lot of force so it will move faster. If you put a little force, it will move slowly. Force pushes a swing away from you. So when you force, the swing will go away from you. Force moves a book to a new dash on a shelf. Position. So if you put a force, you can change the book into a new position on a shelf. I hope it was helpful, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching.